In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and tapping on sound and vibration right away. Then click on vibration and haptics. Use the switcher next to use vibration and haptics to switch them on or off, and if you decided to enable them, click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. When you finished, go back, then scroll down. Click on this switcher next to vibrate when connected to turn it on or off. And last but not least, click on advanced at the bottom. Scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to manage this option as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!